In today's digitally driven environment, prioritizing eye health is crucial. Our eyes serve as the main channel through which we experience and interact with our surroundings. However, the combined effects of extended exposure to screens, environmental pollution, and poor health habits can negatively impact our vision. This highlights the significance of utilizing natural remedies. Historically, herbs have been celebrated for their health benefits, including their capacity to safeguard and improve eye health. This discussion delves into the various herbs known for their protective and restorative effects on vision. Number 1. Turmeric. Turmeric is celebrated for its curcumin content, a potent bioactive compound that offers a broad spectrum of health advantages. Traditionally utilized in various medicinal practices, contemporary research highlights curcumin's efficacy in combating inflammation and oxidative stress, both prevalent in numerous eye-related issues. The anti-inflammatory capabilities of curcumin are especially significant, addressing chronic inflammation that underlies eye disorders such as uveitis and diabetic retinopathy. Through the modulation of inflammatory responses, curcumin supports the health of ocular tissues. Its benefits extend to managing dry eye syndrome, where inflammation on the ocular surface leads to discomfort and vision impairment. Investigations into curcumin supplements have shown promise in alleviating inflammation and enhancing symptom management for dry eyes. Age-related conditions like macular degeneration, AMD, threaten vision integrity, where curcumin's antioxidant properties play a protective role against oxidative stress, a major factor in AMD development. By counteracting free radicals, curcumin contributes to retinal cell protection and overall retinal wellness. Number 2. Rosemary. Rosemary is rich in bioactive compounds, with its essential oil being particularly concentrated in antioxidants. The primary antioxidants, such as rosmarinic acid and carnosic acid, enable rosemary to effectively combat free radicals. This antioxidant capacity is crucial for shielding ocular tissues from oxidative stress, which often leads to age-related eye problems. The herb's anti-inflammatory effects are valuable in eye health preservation, with rosmarinic acid showing promise in inflammatory pathway regulation. This suggests rosemary's potential utility in managing ocular inflammation-related conditions. Additionally, rosemary supports eye health through its positive effects on blood circulation, which is vital for nutrient and oxygen delivery to the eyes, thus maintaining their health and functionality. Beyond its known antioxidant and anti-inflammatory benefits, rosemary's aromatic compounds are noted for cognitive enhancement, possibly offering indirect benefits to eye health by aiding in focus and reducing eye strain during prolonged visual activities. Number 3. Saffron. Saffron, distinguished by its vivid crimson threads, is a staple in various traditional medicinal systems such as Ayurveda and traditional Chinese medicine, addressing a wide array of health issues, including those concerning the eyes. The antioxidant prowess of saffron is chiefly derived from its rich carotenoid content, notably crocin. These carotenoids, with their potent antioxidant capacity, are essential in safeguarding the eyes from the damaging effects of free radicals. The prevalence of oxidative stress and inflammation across numerous eye conditions positions saffron as a critical agent in providing defense against these detrimental factors. Research into saffron's potential benefits for eye health, particularly in treating age-related macular degeneration, AMD, and retinal degeneration, showcases its positive impact on retinal preservation. Furthermore, saffron's anti-inflammatory properties offer relief in conditions such as uveitis, where inflammation within the eye's middle layer can lead to significant discomfort and visual impairment. By modulating inflammatory responses, Saffron stands as a promising aid in the treatment of uveitis and other inflammatory eye diseases. Ongoing investigations into the effects of saffron supplementation indicate improvements in visual acuity and light sensitivity, especially among individuals with early-stage AMD, illuminating saffron's potential to enhance vision and eye health. Number 4. Billberry. The health benefits of bilberry are attributed to compounds called anthocyanins, which give the fruit its deep color. These compounds are potent antioxidants that combat free radicals in the body, including those that harm the eyes. The antioxidant properties of bilberry are essential for preserving the health of eye tissues and guarding against oxidative damage, which is a common factor in age-related eye conditions. Studies indicate that bilberry can enhance night vision and overall visual sharpness. Its role in improving blood circulation to the eyes is also significant, as adequate blood flow is vital for supplying the eye's intricate structures with nutrients and oxygen. Antioxidants are crucial in defending against free radicals, unstable entities that lead to cell damage. Given the eye's high vulnerability to oxidative stress from continuous light exposure, bilberry's antioxidant capabilities are particularly beneficial. By eliminating free radicals, bilberry aids in protecting the eye's lens, retina, and other parts, potentially lowering the risk of age-related macular degeneration, AMD, and similar vision problems. Bilberry supports eye health through various mechanisms. For instance, its contribution to night vision enhancement is linked to the widening of blood vessels, which boosts blood flow to the eyes and improves retina function. Furthermore, the anthocyanins in bilberry may fortify the eye's capillaries, decreasing the likelihood of issues related to weakened blood vessels. Number 5. Dandelion stands out for its rich nutritional profile, supplying essential vitamins and minerals crucial for eye health. This herb is particularly rich in vitamin A, vital for maintaining eye health and supporting vision in low light and color differentiation. Vitamin A deficiency can lead to significant vision problems such as night blindness, underscoring the value of dandelion as a dietary inclusion. Beyond vitamin A, dandelion is a source of vitamins C and E, both integral to the body's antioxidant defense mechanisms that shield the eyes from oxidative damage. Dandelion leaves are notable for their content of lutein and zeaxanthin, carotenoids specifically beneficial for the retina and overall visual health. These compounds, known to filter harmful high-energy light waves, can help reduce the risk of chronic eye conditions like age-related macular degeneration, AMD, and cataracts. Dandelion's traditional use in detoxification, aided by its diuretic properties, suggests further benefits for eye health by potentially reducing toxin-related strain on ocular tissues. Number 6. Ginko Boba. Ginko Boba, also recognized as the maidenhair tree, stands as one of the most ancient tree species, deeply rooted in the traditions of Chinese medicine. The extract from the Ginko Boba tree's leaves is laden with flavonoids and terpenoids, known for their substantial health-promoting properties. While the cognitive enhancements attributed to Ginko Boba are well documented, its significant impact on improving blood circulation is a boon for eye health. This improvement in blood flow, especially to the eye's intricate vessels, is pivotal for the nourishment and oxygenation of the eye, fostering optimal functionality and mitigating risks associated with poor circulation. Research underscores Ginko Boba's efficacy in managing eye conditions like glaucoma by facilitating vasodilation and reducing platelet aggregation, thus bolstering a healthier circulatory system and microcirculation in the eye. Beyond circulation benefits, Ginko Boba's antioxidant attributes offer protection against oxidative stress, with its flavonoids and terpenoids scavenging harmful free radicals, potentially curtailing the progression of age-related eye diseases. Evidence suggests Ginkgo biloba's capacity to ameliorate visual field damage in individuals with normal tension glaucoma, underscoring its protective role for the optic nerve and overall eye health. Number 7. Fennel seeds are revered for their comprehensive nutritional profile, encompassing essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making them a potent ally for eye health. Rich in vitamin C and A, fennel seeds support vital eye functions, including retina health and vision in dim light. These nutrients, alongside the seed's antioxidant constituents like flavonoids, carotenoids, and polyphenols, offer a robust defense against oxidative stress, a known risk factor for conditions such as age-related macular degeneration, AMD. The antioxidants in fennel seeds help mitigate the adverse effects of free radicals on eye tissues, emphasizing the herb's role in a natural eye care approach. While herbs have a notable role in enhancing eye health, yet it's crucial to underline the need for a well-rounded lifestyle. Eating well, engaging in consistent physical activity, getting enough sleep, and going for regular eye exams are fundamental to keeping your eyes in their best condition. Moreover, adopting practices that promote eye well-being, like taking regular breaks from digital screens, wearing sunglasses that block UV rays, and steering clear of smoking, can aid in preserving vision over time. It's also important to talk to healthcare professionals before adding any herbal products to your daily routine, especially for those with existing health issues or who are on other medications. Medical experts can provide tailored advice, ensuring that any natural supplements you consider are both safe and suitable for your specific health requirements. Thank you for spending time with us today. We appreciate your viewership and eagerly await your return for our next video.